Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use the navigation wheel. The navigation wheel enhances user navigation within the GoodX web system, providing easy access to specific modules. It is divided into segments corresponding to the available modules on GoodX web, allowing users to customize the navigation wheel according to their needs by configuring only the specific segments they will use and have access to. Additionally, direct access to the Learning Center and the client portal is available through the navigation wheel. Please note that the navigation wheel can be hidden, but you should be aware that no other features or menus will be available, other than what is on the specific segment which has been set as the default. In this video, we will start on a diary screen. Click on a navigation wheel located on a navigation bar. The navigation wheel will open. We will now take a look at the various different segments, also known as modules. Please note that all the relevant user manuals for each section we will discuss will be linked in this video's description. Configuration involves managing specific features within GoodX Web, enabling you to customize your site to the unique requirements of the practice or user. For instance, you can access the cash register, audit log, doctors, smart sticker setup, workflow event type, and much more. The diary segment in the GoodX web app provides comprehensive access and management of patient information, encompassing the entire process from booking to post-consultation. Recognized as the most versatile segment, the electronic diary will empower you to efficiently handle practice workflow and practitioner schedules, maintaining a detailed record of daily bookings, transactions, and events such as the theatre manager, dashboard, patient identifier, and clinical reports. The Debtors Segment enables you to efficiently manage and access both debtor and patient information, allowing the capture of multiple transactions without the need of an initial booking on a diary. Notable functionalities include access to debtor statements, multi-invoice, ERA management, invoice management, debtor invalidation, patient identifier, CRM, and clinical reports. The Communication segment facilitates the sending, receiving, and management of information related to debtors, patients, and/or medical aid communication. You have access to various features within the segment, such as switch history, ERA management, tasks, CRM, admin event history, and instant messaging. The Hospital segment empowers registered hospital entities to oversee various aspects of a medical facility, including diary, case management, theatre manager, bed management, recurring service management, meal management, and kitchen features. You must be registered as a hospital entity to access these functionalities. Stock management enables the practice to monitor real-time inventory levels, preventing unnecessary expenses and ensuring the availability of essential stock patient treatment while safeguarding business funds. The Creditors Segment will enable you to manage and establish relationships with these entities, facilitating and handling of payments owed by debtors for products or services provided by the creditor. Once the accounting segment is active, the color of the segment will change, and then you will have access to the accounting features within this segment. Please note that the accounting module on the web app is currently under development and is exclusively accessible on the GoodX desktop app. Reporting within the Reports segment is integral to patient management and maintaining financial stability in a practice. You can access various reporting features, including report history, report dashboard, customer relations manager, invoice management, admin event history, switch history, audit log, and clinical reports through the Reports segment. The Custom segment will allow you to only access the functions and features relating to the duties of that specific role within the practice. Please note that the navigation bar tabs as well as the navigation settings will need to be set up per user. The GoodX Learning Center will provide you with access to regularly updated user manuals and tutorial videos, enabling them to independently utilize the software to its fullest potential. Click on the Learning Center icon on the center of the navigation wheel. You will be directed to the GoodX Learning Center homepage. Please note that you are able to log in with the username and password or view the Learning Center as a guest. The GoodX Client Portal enables registered users to log and view support requests within the GoodX management system, facilitating communication about issues, development requests, and feedback on services. Access the Client Portal by clicking on the Client Portal icon located in the center of the navigation wheel. You will be directed to the GoodX Client Portal homepage.